In today's manufacturing environment, rapidly advancing technology has created a demand for more complicated parts, produced to more precise tolerances, and with better finishes. Manufacturers must also become more competitive while having the flexibility to produce a variety of parts efficiently. Today's machine tools are also more sophisticated. How can you, as a manufacturer, maximize the performance of these more advanced machine tools and enhance your capability to make complex parts more competitively? Many components that need to be machined to precise tolerances cannot be turned, but must be processed in a different manner. Such components include valve bodies, oil valves and blowout preventers, heavy equipment such as dirt movers, compressors, and other large equipment casings, gearboxes, power generating equipment, large engine blocks, and aerospace parts. The horizontal boring mill is an excellent machine tool choice for manufacturing such components and for producing any part with bores, faces, or complex forms. The ZX modular boring, facing, and contouring system from COGSDILL Tool Products enhances the capabilities of horizontal boring mills to process small or large components. The ZX tooling system can be used on any make of horizontal boring mill having a programmable inner spindle. The ZX tooling system offers improvements in quality and productivity with a corresponding reduction in operator intervention. The ZX tooling system also allows you to make a variety of components holding very close tolerances with a minimum of tool changes for greater productivity. In fact, many customers report productivity gains of 500% with ZX tooling when compared to more conventional tooling. COGSDILL Tool Products has over 85 years of experience in metalworking tool design and manufacturing. As industry leaders, we have developed multiple solutions for the manufacture of complex components on horizontal boring mills. Why settle for less when you can buy world-class tools from a world-class tool maker? COGSDILL's commitment now is the same as when the company was founded in 1914, to provide the best tooling solution available to meet our customers' manufacturing and part requirements. And that's why COGSDILL today is a leading manufacturer of specialty tooling with operations in the United States and United Kingdom, serving the global metalworking marketplace. Our customer base includes the automotive and aerospace industries, as well as manufacturers of hydraulic components, oil valves, heavy equipment, and other highly engineered products. The ZX tooling system is one example of COGSDILL's ability to engineer solutions for complex machining problems. ZX tools enable manufacturers who depend on horizontal boring mills as an integral part of their process to achieve vastly improved productivity, increased accuracy and precision, and part-to-part dimensional repeatability through the use of a modular tooling system designed for optimum efficiency and versatility. ZX tooling is flexible, and it is more machine-specific than part-specific. On properly equipped boring mills, these tools provide the user with the ability to machine complex geometries to very close tolerances using a minimum number of tools. ZX tooling works by converting axial spindle motion into radial cutting motion as the machine's spindle is manipulated by the CNC control. The cutter moves precisely in unison. Backlash is eliminated. By controlling the Z and W axes simultaneously, the ZX system can produce bores, faces, radii, tapered bores, bottle bores, and virtually any contour that can be programmed. And machines with part probes can automatically compensate for size adjustment for even less operator intervention. In order to function at optimum efficiency, the ZX tooling must become an integral part of the machine's spindle mechanism. This is accomplished by using our camlock bonnet. The camlock bonnet attaches to the outer spindle and provides the rotational or cutting force to the head. It also positions the head accurately on the spindle, and it allows for fast, easy installation and removal of the head from the spindle. The ZX camlock bonnet features a substantial locating surface and 4 camlock pins for maximum accuracy and an extra degree of safety. Installing the head is easy. Simply mount the head to the inner spindle by actuating the retention knob. Then pull the head back until the locking pins engage in the bonnet. Finally, lock the head in place by rotating the 4 locking cams 1/4 turn each. Since the bonnets are made to fit a specific machine, you can be assured of a precise fit and accurate location time after time. The ZX tooling system is also fully adaptable from machine to machine, make to make. A head can be moved from one machine to another in minutes. The ZX tooling system includes 3 models: facing and contouring heads, boring and contouring heads, valve seat pocket tools for deep bore work. All models feature an internal actuation mechanism proven to be the most durable in the industry. Each head is made to machine tool quality standards. All working parts are hardened and ground for enhanced performance and long life. And ZX tools maintain their accuracy and repeatability for a long time. Some customers report using ZX tooling for over 5 years without repair or failure, even with daily use. Let's look at the ZX system more closely. The first product group includes the facing and contouring heads. Facing and contouring tools provide maximum operational flexibility in working with a variety of parts or parts which require multiple operations. These heads are capable of performing precision boring, facing, tapered boring, threading of outside diameters and inside diameters, the generation of radii and contours, and other operations. With simple programming, these heads can replace boring bars, block tooling, and other conventional tools which require long setup time and frequent tool changes. Simple program offsets can be made without changing tooling, and once a program is developed, part after part can be made with unparalleled accuracy and repeatability. Use the facing and contouring heads to machine castings or components such as compressor housings, oil valves, and machine bases, parts which are too large or awkward to machine in a lathe. Since multiple operations can easily be performed, the workpiece can often be finished in one setup on the machine, without having to perform costly secondary operations. This enhances both repeatability and quality, while providing a significant reduction in manufacturing cost per part. The facing and contouring heads can handle large or small diameters and can even perform operations on or near the center line of the spindle. The heads feature single tool slides with qualified locations that allow accurate positioning of top tooling when making diameter changes beyond the stroke capability of the head. Standard modular top tooling packages, such as the one shown here, are available. We also offer custom designs should your specifications require non-standard tooling. 3 standard models are available, with tool slides from 8 to 24 inches, radial cutting strokes from 1 1/2 to 3 1/2 inches, and feed ratios of 2:1 and 1:1. Maximum head speeds range up to 800 RPM with feed rates as required based on the material and cutting-edge geometry. The second category of ZX tooling is boring and contouring tools. Like the facing and contouring heads, these tools feature the same industry-proven actuation mechanism for optimum performance and long life. The ZX boring and contouring tools feature the maximum cutting strokes possible and come in single and twin slide versions. The twin slide tools ensure balanced cutting action throughout the entire diameter range of the head, enabling you to run at maximum feeds, speeds, and depths of cut for the highest productivity available, even when machining interrupted cuts. The unique design of the modular sections allows tools to be easily lengthened or shortened for components having the same diameter range. In many cases, the diameter range of the tools is expandable by simply installing different insert cartridges or tool slides. A variety of cartridges are available which use industry standard inserts. Changing cartridges is a simple matter that can be accomplished in seconds. The ZX boring and contouring heads can easily perform front and back boring operations. Stepped bores, angles, and faces inside of bores can also be produced. Tapered bores, bottle bores, and contours can be machined very accurately by simultaneously controlling both the W and Z axes at the same time. And all this can be done without a tool change. Your CNC control produces all tool movement. Accuracy, repeatability, and concentricity are guaranteed since the part can be machined in one tooling and machine setup. Our third product group is a variation of the boring and contouring tools. These tools machine valve seat pockets and other deep boring applications. Valve seat pocket tools function in exactly the same way as the boring and contouring tools, but they are designed to support the cutter at extended reaches into the bore. Two features are unique in the valve seat pocket, or deep boring and contouring tools: the collet pilot assembly and COGSDILL's exclusive damper unit. The collet pilot assembly shown here provides accurate concentric location and support at the end of the tool to ensure smooth, chatter-free finishes. The damper unit shown here is generally used on bores under 3 inches in diameter or in extreme overhang situations. The damper unit reduces or eliminates harmonic vibrations in the tool, especially during back boring operations. Using the collet pilot and damper unit ensures extremely close tolerances and fine finishes in bores up to 100 inches deep, even when machining stainless steel or Inconel. The ZX valve seat pocket tools have sufficiently long stroke to allow for cavity rough machining prior to Inconel cladding, and using the same tool for finish machining the Inconel clad bore. In addition to having long cutting strokes, the proven ZX actuation mechanism is contained within the tool body and is never exposed. This eliminates chip packing inside the tool housing, even when there is minimal clearance between the tool and the bore. Modular extensions are easy to install or remove with only one hex wrench. The ZX tooling system can enhance the capability of your horizontal boring mill, produce complex components in less time at a lower cost, while improving quality and repeatability from part to part. Our experienced engineers are ready to help you improve your productivity with proven tooling, world-class service, product support, and training second to none. No horizontal boring mill is complete without a COGSDILL ZX modular boring, facing, and contouring system. COGSDILL Tool makers since 1914.